Within the hour, a Fulton County judge gave at least a temporary victory to several companies that failed to win airport concessions contracts. The companies argued the city made it impossible to file an effective appeal because it withheld potentially hundreds of thousands of documents. Channel 2's Richard Belcher now live at the Fulton County Courthouse with the story.
Yeah, after about a 2-hour hearing, Judge Constance Russell ordered that the city has to produce all of these documents, all of them, by January 27th. And the time to protest, the official time to protest, ended at 5 o'clock today. That has been pushed back 20 days, 10 more days to get the documents in, and the bid protest 10 days after that.
Well, I'll be candid with Your Honor. I've got one that's sitting right here that if we get to 459, Mr. Richardson's going to get it here in the courtroom.
Lawyers for two groups of failed bidders opened the hearing 2 hours before the city's deadline for filing a formal bid protest. But they argued they're unable to do so effectively because the city has failed to provide nearly all of the documents they've demanded under the Open Records Act and have often removed critical information about other competitive bidders.
None of this stuff is a trade secret. We're not talking about the formula for Coca-Cola. We're talking about run-of-the-mill business information that my clients need in order to figure out whether the decision was proper.
But the city contends the plaintiffs' demands for records are over the top.
My fear is, for the court and for the city, is that the requests that have been made for everything under the sun.
And the city added that delaying the process now will run the risk that the new international terminal will be ready to open in the spring without concessionaires.
When you have travelers coming in from all over the world expecting a world-class airport, getting off to either empty outlets, not being able to find food and water.
But another attorney for the plaintiffs argued they need records, but they need time as well.
What has happened to us is atrocious. We are being asked to file a protest with blindfolds on.
Again, the plaintiffs got a victory today, perhaps a temporary one. Judge Russell said that the city can continue negotiating these final deals, these contracts with the winning bidders, but cannot sign them without notifying those who came to court today. There's much more to be told on this story. Live in downtown Atlanta, outside the Fulton County Superior Court, Richard Belcher, Channel 2 Action News.